Good morning, guys. All right, I have had a couple of questions already this morning, so I'm just going to walk you guys, the parents, through this. The kids know how to do this, but this is for you if you guys need to reference this back in your home. I'm helping them, you don't understand. So on the seesaw activities, when it's time, they have the schedule. It looks like this. So they have the schedule just like this. So this morning was check-in on seesaw. The writing was on seesaw. The math on seesaw. This is on seesaw. Their center activity. Their math is on seesaw, or their foundations on seesaw. And this is a seesaw activity. All these are seesaw activities. The only two things that are not seesaw activities is their Zoom, okay? And I sent those links on seesaw, and then also their Lexia. This core 5 is Lexia, and then this one is Dreambox. They know where those two apps are on their screen. And then when you get to the activity, when it's on there, so they already did the November check-in. So today for Wonders, they would click on the Wonders. They're going to click on this chain link. They know how to do that. They click on it, and it will open up their lesson. They click on the whiteboard. So they click on the Wonders, the games, all of those things for them to do. And then when they're done, they exit off at the top, and then they go back, and then they need to add their response, and then they need to turn it in, okay? You need to turn it in with a green check mark. Okay, and then for writing, they'll have a video on the outside, so they'll listen to the video, and then they add the response, and then they have a writing activity to go with it. For math, they will be doing the same, For their center, they'll have some of these activities. It looks a little bit different on each of them. They'll know it's labeled centers. And then for this one, the Floss scroll, they click on it. They click on the video. They watch it, and they take it off, exit off, and then they add their response. Okay, and then for foundations, it's the same thing. They hit the chain link. When they're done, they exit off, add their response. For math, same thing. Chain link. They watch it. They do all the things on the whiteboards. They exit off at the top, and then they add their response and turn it in. They have things on the side. For math, they have pages on the side, okay? And then they turn it with a green check mark. The only thing that is not on Seesaw is the Zoom, and then their Lexia and their Dreambox. If you have any questions, guys, please text me or message me on Seesaw. Have a good day, guys.